The Hinks Centre for Entrepreneurship Excellence has an excellent record in international, European and national projects. One project that has just concluded is the Interreg Europe project called Silver SME. This project has been very successful, generating impacts that extend beyond the required outputs of the project. The objective of the Silver SMEs project is to improve the implementation and delivery of regional policies for SMEs competitiveness by building on the significant opportunities arising from the silver economy. Just briefly, the silver economy, also referred to as the grey or senior economy, is described as the economic opportunities arising from expenditure related to population ageing. The Hinks Centre has developed expertise in the silver economy as a direct result of this European project. As I mentioned earlier, the project has generated impacts beyond the required outputs of the project. And this can be classified into 5 key areas. Number 1, the successful collaboration with stakeholders such as SMEs, public bodies, civic bodies and research institutions. 2 SWOT reports were produced, one of the Southern Regional level in Ireland, and the other was a composite SWOT report across 8 regions in 7 EU countries. The project documented 72 good practices in the silver economy, of which the Hinks Centre successfully submitted 7. This project supports MTU's age-friendly university status. Number 2, as a research group, academic research impact was an important consideration for the Hinks Centre. For example, Dr. Helen McGurk and I were guest editors on a journal special issue, Small Enterprises and the Silver Economy, in the journal Small Enterprise Research. We also published a journal article on the data stemming from the project, and we've delivered keynote addresses, conference presentations, and invited presentations on the topic of the silver economy. We are currently supervising a Masters by Research student in this area. Number 3, dissemination is a vital component in successful research projects, and the Hinks Centre featured the Silver SMEs project and research in both mainstream and social media. For example, we published 4 newspaper articles relating to the topic. We published an RTE Brainstorm article along with our colleague Niamh Lenihan. I contributed to a German TV programme as an expert on the silver economy and Europe's ageing population. And a blog was also published by a European agency. Number 4, we are very proud that this project successfully impacted policy by the inclusion of a specific action on the silver economy in the Southwest Regional Enterprise Plan to 2024. Finally, number 5, Hinks Centre's success in the Silver SME project has resulted in subsequent partnering in a Horizon Europe project called Senior Equinect. The impact of the project, the Silver SMEs, has been far-reaching. Impact ranges from the research and policy impact to media appearances and successful stakeholder relationships. Collectively, these impacts highlight the importance and reach of the Hinks Centre research beyond the Silver SME project itself.